Hi, my name is Tami, which in Kichwa means rain. Rain is life in the mountains of Ecuador, where I'm from. It nourishes the land, bringing growth and new opportunities, just like our project IntiLab. At IntiLab, we are four friends united by the same goal, to shape children's futures through technology. Marco leads our electronic design. Celeste handles marketing and design. Matthew manages the finance. And I, Tamia, am the project manager. Together, we want to plant the seeds of curiosity and knowledge in children by using fun electronic kits to let them dream bigger. Imagine an indigenous child in a rural school opening up one of our kits, a kit that opens the door to a whole new world. Inside, they can find LEDs, switch, potentiometers, everything that they need to build their first circuit. And the best, everything is in their native language, in Spanish and Kichwa. That's the heart of IntiLab. We create affordable, eco-friendly, and bilingual electronic kits to let them children learn by playing. Our motto, Pugyana Yachana, learn by playing.
We know that affordable electronic kits tend to be really basic. On the other hand, advanced electronic kits are expensive and important, making them out of reach for Ecuadorian families. That's the sweet spot we hit. We offer affordable, safe, sturdy, and fun kits, while giving a deeper learning experience.
We built strong partnerships with schools, local governments, NGOs, and organizations like the OEI and Rotary. These plan to use our kits for their educational programs. Also, we plan to sell the kits through electronic shops and toy stores, with online tutorials to help parents with their process.
But the real impact of IntiLab goes beyond just selling kits. We are tracking how many kids discover a passion for technology or science through surveys for students or teachers to see how their perspectives evolve over time. Our goal is to create a generation of children with a strong foundation in tech. Recently, our startup won a third place in the Emprend IEEE competition, and now we're ready to take the next step. To expand IntiLab, we are seeking $15,000 in seed funding. This investment will allow us to scale up production, offer training programs, and cover cost operations.
With your support, we aim to reach over 1,000 children in the first year through STEM programs and school partnerships.
Just like the rain transforms the earth, we believe we can transform the future of thousands of children, sparkling their curiosity and passion for technology. Will you join us to learn by playing?